Hello USD 489. I'm going to do a demonstration here of getting some files that I have on my desktop uploaded either to my OneDrive because I want to continue using my district account, or if I'm exiting the district and I need to get my files to my own cloud storage, I'll also show a little bit of that. Okay, so if I have some files stored here on my desktop or even in my documents, the quickest way to get going with this is to get those files into one folder. Although, if you do folder inside of a folder inside of a folder, etc., you actually cause yourself some issues. So I wouldn't go too deep with that. But I have quite a few just free, out in the open here files that I probably want to put in a folder. So to get going here, I right-click on my desktop, I scroll down in the little menu that appears to New, and I select Folder. And a folder icon appears, and you'll notice that the text there on the name is blue, so I can just start typing right away. So I'm going to call this Desktop, and the current date, so May 9. And that way I'll know when I went about uploading some of these things. So I hit Enter to lock that into place, and then I can just drag things into it. So anything that I have saved here to the desktop, I would not want to drag shortcuts to actual programs. Notice here I'm only dragging in PDFs, Word documents, PowerPoints, Excel spreadsheets. You can drag in publisher files if you want. You get the idea. So I'm going to get some of these drug in here. Obviously, get as much of it into the folder as you can so that you can be efficient with this as possible. Notice up here I also have another folder, and I can, and I know I only have a couple of files in that folder, I can drag this folder into the folder as well, and that way all of that would upload at the same time. Okay, so once I get it in there and I'm satisfied that everything I need to keep is in that folder or need to get uploaded to the cloud is in that folder, I want to go over to a browser. It doesn't matter if you use Firefox or Chrome. Both work the same way. And I have my Google Drive open here, but I want to show you how to use the district account first. So I'm going to go to portal.office.com. And if you've told Microsoft to save your login information, you'll get right in there to your OneDrive. But just to let you know, if you end up at the regular Office dashboard, you want to click on OneDrive, the double blue cloud of the OneDrive icon to get here to your OneDrive. And then if you want to put the folder that we just created on the desktop inside of another folder, you can click on the name of a folder and then upload into that folder. But for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm just going to upload the folder as is to my OneDrive. So I click Upload here across the toolbar at the top, and I select Folder, and then the folders that are on my desktop is what is currently showing, but notice I could navigate around here in my PC to find something else. So there's the folder I just created, Desktop May 9. So I'm going to click Upload, and I get a progress bar over here, and it tells me that it's uploading. If I click on that, it actually shows me each file as it uploads it, and then it's now telling me that it's done. You want to keep that under a couple of hundred files inside a folder that you're uploading at a time. If you get much larger than that, your process can time out, and then you won't get all the files uploaded properly. So make sure that you keep it to a couple hundred at a time. The process is extremely similar for Google Drive. So notice here I'm logged in to my personal Google Drive account here, right? And again, maybe I'm exiting the district and I need to get my files up to my own file storage so that I can turn in my computer. So when I get here to Google Drive, notice I'm at drive.google.com. I'm logged in with my personal Google account. If I click plus new here at the left, then I have the option to upload an individual file or an entire folder. So I'm going to click Folder Upload. And again, I can navigate around here to find that folder that I'm wanting to upload. I know it's on my desktop. So here it is, Desktop May 9. And I click Upload. And it's going to ask me, do I trust this source? Yes. So I'm going to click Upload. With this one, I get a progress bar down here at the bottom right corner, all right, and I'll be able again to see when it's done. And when that finishes off, I should find the folder that I uploaded here in my list of folders. So if I scroll down here a little bit, now I have here in my Google Drive, desktop, May 9. All right, so if you have questions or concerns about getting files off of your computer, please don't hesitate to email one of us in IT and or to put it in a tech ticket. You want to have those things done, again, if you're exiting the district before you arrive at your IT check-in appointment. Thank you, and as always, have a good day.